Hello guys, it is another beautiful opportunity for us to be together again. It is the time for the $500 trading tips for trading boom and crash, where we usually analyze the market together, check out the market direction, and of course I always use it as an opportunity to give us trading tips on what to go for whenever we are trading, and we will be having another edition of it again tonight. But before we go fully into it, in case you are joining me for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. This is a platform which I used to share with you my ideas on how you can make some cool cash for yourself online, most especially within the forex niche. All you need to do is just for you to take some time to browse through the channel, watch my training videos, make sure you understand every part of the strategies shared, do your own personal practice and perfect your trading skill first on your demo account before trying them out on your real account. And if you love my videos, can you give me thumbs up and share with families and friends? And if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, kindly do so right away so that you can be notified whenever I upload a training video like this. Okay guys, quickly let's go straight into what we have right here. These are the assets we'll be checking out. Everything I'll be doing in this video is going to be based on my own personal analysis, and of course you just need to understand it very well before you go fully into it. Okay, if you are not joining me live and direct, then you will have to have a recheck on the chart before you can follow up with the analysis. As for the $500 profit per day, it all depends on your trading capital. The more your trading capital, the easier it is. So many people have been able to grow their small trading capital into something reasonable, so you too can also do the same thing. Quickly, let's go straight into what we have right here, starting with boom 1000. Okay guys, this is boom 1000. I'm on 5-minute time frame using the 3M trend Milka trading indicator. Okay, and of course this had been on downtrend for a while, got to the support zone, had a pullback, it was unable to go into an uptrend, played around there for a while, went back to try out the support zone. This time around broke out from the right from the last resistance zone, and of course got to another resistance zone and went back down again, and of course it went up again, still unable to break out above this resistance zone. So this time around it is still selling, and will sell for a while before trying out to go on buy trend again. So this is still more of a selling opportunity than a buying opportunity. Next asset is going to be boom 500. This is boom 500, and of course it went on downtrend for a while, and after getting to this support zone it changed the direction of the market into an uptrend. You can see the yellow flag, and of course you can see the blue arrow, and of course it went up till it got to this resistance zone. If it's unable to break out from there, then it will go back on downtrend, but you need to wait for all the signals before you start selling. But for now it is still buying, even though it might not be for long, because it's most likely for it not to break out above the resistance zone. Okay, next asset is going to be crash 1000. Crash 1000 had been on uptrend, got to this region and started selling right from there. So this is still selling at the moment, so this is going to be more of a selling opportunity than a buying opportunity. Now let's move on to crash 500. This is crash 500. This had been on uptrend for a very long time, got to this resistance zone and has not been able to break out above it. If it breaks out above it, then definitely to keep on buying. If it does not, it will go back on downtrend, but for now still buying. This might not be for long, okay, in case it's unable to break out above the resistance zone. Okay, last asset is going to be volatility 75. Volatility 75 had been on downtrend for a very long time. It has gotten to this resistance, support zone. It has not been able to break out from there, even though it is still selling. But if it's unable to break out below this support zone, then it will go back on buy trend. So this is still selling at the moment. This might not be for long, most especially if it's unable to break out below the support zone, then it will go back on buy trend. Okay, so I will be stopping right here. Remember, this is coming to you courtesy Qora Digital Cash, and if you have any question at all, feel free to contact me. My contact details are in the description box below this video, and if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, kindly do so right away so that you can be notified whenever I upload a training video like this. Watch out for my next video. Until then, God bless you.